Hey guys, this is Ian, and in today's episode, we're gonna do a quick product review of this water gun. In this episode, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this SPYRA water gun. This particular one is actually a pump water gun. So basically what that means is, in order for it to function, you just need to pump the lever back here so that the air pressure will go up. And as you can see, as soon as you get to the 100% of the air pressure, you are all set. So basically, that's the quick unboxing of the SPYRA water gun. Stay tuned for part 2 where we actually play with it. Bye!